there's a fire truck. What's going on? It is Monday and it's like 11, it's almost noon. I got to take my dog to grooming today, which is exciting. He's gonna do daycare all day so I can get some stuff done. As soon as I get home, I'm pretty much going straight into studio. But right now I'm leaving my bar class. I forgot socks. I knew I was forgetting something, but I forgot socks, which is fine because they obviously sell them. So I got a fresh new pair of socks. They have flowers. Really good workout, so I'll just end the exercise now. 492 cals, 191 max, 148 average heart rate, 53 minutes. It was different choreography, if you can call it that, different moves, different exercises or whatever. So like when I was leaving, Colin, she's like the general manager, it's like, bye Colin, thank you. She's like, bye, I'll see you tomorrow. And I just laughed because I was like, yeah. I mean, I've been going there since February, so like 8 months, and I do go like almost every day. So it's just funny that like that was the first time she was like, okay, see you tomorrow. Just like immediately assuming that I'm gonna be there tomorrow. These people are super dedicated, so they're always out here, I'm gonna say like every day protesting. So different things like voting, Black Lives Matter, etc. And sometimes when it's raining, sometimes they have more other people that aren't part of their group or whatever, but I think it's this couple that does it, and they just like slowly get more people as like the day goes on. But like, hey, you're showing your privilege clearly because everyone else is at work right now and you're out here just like protesting. Like, I appreciate that they're doing it. I think it's great, but I also don't know if they realize that they're very privileged. They're probably all retired, and they can afford to not work, so they can protest. So. Big news! I got my ACCIO box! Woo! So I'm not gonna open it now. I gotta go to studio. But stay tuned because I'll open it later in this video. Today's smoothies: carrot and cinnamon. Carrot, banana, walnut, dates, sweet potato, coconut, cinnamon, ginger, chia. I added flax, and I'm using unsweetened almond milk. And here's how it looks in the blender. Let's blend it up now. I'm on the way to studio. It's like 1 o'clock, so it's like less than 1 o'clock. So it took me about an hour to like get whatever I need to do. This is so good. So good and so filling. They really do just like tide you over like for so long. Now I'm on the way to studio, and so there's a trickiness about going to the studio. So I have one parking spot, as I mentioned, when I was biking to the science library at the Dodd, which is a different studio. So I teach there, and that's where my studio is. So that's where my parking spot is. But I also have a studio, as you know, at Thomas Street, which is like a mile, 1.7 miles or so away, like on the bike. I used to bike there pretty often before I had my dog. Yes, because I didn't have a parking spot there. And let me just tell you that I've received like around 3 or so parking tickets for parking there because I had my assistantship there when I first started. So my first year, my assistantship was like sitting in the tool room on the studio monitor. If I was like running late or whatever, like I would just park there instead of like riding the bus, or I would have to pay to park in the parking deck that was adjacent to it, like across the street. It's not really adjacent then. Like $10 because I'd be there for so long. So if I didn't want to do that or whatever, like I would just park there and just risk it. And many times I got parking tickets, and it's like $40. I don't know if I said that already. It's like $40 for a parking ticket, and they don't let you get another parking pass. Like I've tried, I've asked, I've requested a second parking spot. Like I will pay way more for the parking spot so that I can park there without having to get these like random $10 for the deck, $10 for the deck, $40 ticket, $40 ticket. So anyway, so I'm going there now to tempt fate. So my meeting with, it's, as I said, 1 o'clock now. The meeting with my professor is at 3:30. So a couple hours of work, a couple hours of risking parking there. But I will just say, like, if you get there at 4 or after, then they don't ticket you. You're allowed to park there after. It looks like I no longer have full reign of this room. So I guess it looks like somebody's gonna have a desk there and maybe there. Maybe they tried to make more desks and I just left my stuff out last night. So this is what I ended up doing last night. I made a template for like an umbrella right there. And here's where I was going. Got some of these foiled, some of them not, so I'm going to work on foiling them today. I still have water in here from yesterday, and I'm going to still have, or I should say I still have a ton of pieces left to, and then maybe all this left to grind. I just hate looking at myself with like, so sweaty. Okay, so I still have to go to Home Depot. It's like 5 o'clock, 4:30. Oh, not bad. I still have to go to Home Depot to get my like sort of model that I'm going to use for my umbrella. So I'm going to see if they have like really big, like the black and white ones or whatever that you use for like golf. They're just really big umbrellas. So I'm going to see if they have those and they're not too expensive. I will get one. This umbrella was like $5. $5.33. It's like a 5-foot, like huge golf umbrella. If I wasn't gonna tear this up, I would actually use it. Quite yet. So this day's been pretty good. I've gotten a lot done, I feel, in the day. I want to go, like, take a shower and maybe clean up a little bit, just around the house without having Dory in there, and then go get him like a little bit before 6. Close at 6. But I don't know. Maybe I just want to go grab him so I don't have to go back out. Can't decide. It smells a little bit weird in here, so it smells like they sprayed. I don't know if I said this, but I requested pest control for the couple of roaches that I've seen. I actually saw a third one, but it was like really tiny. But it was in the kitchen. Not like tiny, it was like small tiny, medium tiny, and so I requested. Welcome to the unboxing of my ACCIO box for the month of September. Hey, this is Editing Catherine coming at you with a spoiler alert. The end of this video is going to be full of spoilers, so if you don't want to see spoilers for the September ACCIO box, then you can leave now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. But if you would like to see spoilers, just go ahead and keep watching because there's some good stuff in this box. Here's what it looks like on the inside, just some black paper. I'm Hufflepuff, so if it were house themed, I would have had yellow paper. Let's take a little quick look. Oh, it's so nice and no wrinkles at all. Take a quick look. Oh, okay. Alright, so this month's box theme was time turners. So 3 years should do it. This month's box is a special throwback theme featuring 6 past favorites that you voted on. There are some of our most popular items. These are some of our most popular items going all the way back to 2017. We opened up votes on our social media platforms to allow our subscribers to choose what we bring back. And we're so excited these awesome items are returning this month. We hope you love the ACCIO box. We hope you love this box of classic ACCIO magic. Also, do you say ACCIO or ACCIO? They say ACCIO, but like if you're using like Latin root words or whatever, like aquí is like Spanish for like here, aquí. So it could be ACCIO, like come here, or it could be ACCIO, like they say it. I don't know. So the first thing is this Messrs. Mooney, Wormtail, Padfoot, and Prongs pencil couch. Pencil pouch. Has a zip on top and it's just nicely sized and not long enough for just some pencils. Perfect. I always like stuff like this because there's so many uses, makeup brushes, traveling, etc. In a box like this. I think this, okay, I already know what this is, I think. Oh no, I was wrong. Oh, this is actually really cute. Oh. It's a little, I don't even know what size mug, like glass this is, but it's really tiny and it has a dark mark on it. I don't know. I thought it was a candle, but it's like basically just like maybe just big enough for like whiskey. I don't really know. I guess that would make it like kind of dark art themed, but that's actually better than I expected it was going to be. This is going well. Next, constant vigilance. That's cute. I've never had a flask in my entire life. But it feels like it's, yeah, it says stainless steel. It's 5 ounces. There you go. And so your tiny little glass can go with your tiny little moody flask. It's like etched on there. Like you can wash it, I guess, in the washing machine without it. I'm struggling so hard with words right now. You can wash it in the dishwasher without issue, without it like coming off. Hopefully, I don't know. All right, so there is a candle. Heard really good things about this candle. Luna's Room, cotton candy watermelon. Oh, that's definitely not what I was expecting. I thought this was supposed to be the Padfoot candle. It reminds me of candy, like Pop Rocks. Like watermelon Pop Rocks is literally exactly what it smells like. It's a little bit too sweet. I don't know if I'll use it. I also don't prefer tins like this because they get hot, especially a candle this size. But I don't know if you can tell it has like a pinkish rim around it. I'm not really sure if that was intentional. It smells good. It's just too sweet for me. And this is what I was the most excited about. It is this beautiful purple and yellow. Or is that gold? It's, I don't know. It might be kind of goldy, but it's a staff. It has a W for staff. And this is the Weasley's Wildfire Whiz Bangs. What does it say? Ask me about our Wildfire Whiz Bangs, virtually unstoppable. And I was actually just listening to the 5th book last night on Audible, where they are creating a diversion so that Harry can go into Umbridge's office so that he can could talk to Sirius in the fire. So I literally just listened to this last night, so it's kind of perfect. And it does appear that the there might be something kind of something wrong with that. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. But the graphic is screen printed with, it's like sort of a sparkly, really kind of muted gold. But that's gorgeous, and I'm really excited. And of course these are those really soft t-shirts, and it's a medium, so I wanted them, I like that they're kind of big, because I wear them to sleep. And the last thing I believe is that, oh, I wasn't expecting that. I didn't even look at it. So it's the Support Cedric Diggory, the real champion, and Potter Stinks badges. That's actually really cool. It's lenticular, so it has 2 designs. I don't wear stuff like this. I don't use stuff like this. I don't really buy stuff like this. These worms are really heavy. It feels like there's something else in here, but there's not. I just have a embroidery hoop with canvas in my room that has like all of the different like enamel pens and stuff that I purchased, and just buttons and things. So this will probably go on there, but I wasn't expecting it. It's actually like kind of squishy. I thought it would be like a hard plastic, but it's like squishy. I wonder how they made that. And just quick reference, t-shirt was $25 valued. This was valued at $6. The mug was valued at $10. Magic stemless wine glass. I don't drink that little amount of wine. Candle, $8. $5. Constant Vigilance stainless steel hip flask, $10. Cheers. It's only been a couple minutes since I last filmed that unboxing, and I'm already selling both of these, as far as I know. So I'm going to take them to the post office today. This girl says she wants both of them. She's in North Carolina, so these will be going to her. It's the hip flask and the candle. There's actually people at the post office today. Shipped and on the way and paid for. It just is so great that I don't have to just keep items that I just don't like, but it really makes up for it. So I'm getting about $20 of the box like back because I'm selling those 2 items. So like I really only pay like $30 for it. All right, that's all I got for you today. Tomorrow I will do this maybe like a try-on slash unboxing thing. I ordered some clothes from Old Navy, so be sure to like and subscribe to be notified for when I sporadically post, which seems to be every day right now. But look tomorrow for the video about the Old Navy haul, and I'll see you guys in that one. Bye!